Hey everyone, we have a hard problem here. Linked list group reverse. All we need to do is we need to find the first k elements of each array. Each linked list and reverse them. After that, the next k elements. So this is the flow: 4221 and 8765. If there are any remaining elements, we'll just reverse them all. So to solve this, we need help of two functions. Once one is to reverse the linked list and another is to count the kth node we can find. So without wasting any time, let us write a quick function for the reversing a node. Let us take the temp is equal to the current node and the previous be none, and while temp let us set it to the temp and set temp to temp2 and let us return the previous value after reversing it. So this is needed, so please go through the problem again of reversing a linked list if you don't have any idea. So we calculate the kth node every time just by looping it, and there are other conditions like there should be a node dot next to. So here we got our required functions. So let us initially take the head as temp and let us go through the array while temp, and let us find the kth node first, and let us set the kth node dot next to none, and take the next node be the k node dot next, so that we'll get the kth node up to the point, and after that just reverse the k elements, and if the temp is equal to the head, that's where the head should be starting. So the head be the k node, because the head is going to be the 4 here and it is the k node. And if we haven't got anything, let us set the previous node dot next to the k node. We know that previous node is not defined yet, but we can define it here because the first instance is going to be head, so there is no way we get an error here. And after solving the first thing, we'll come here. So the after that, if there are anything else, we'll set the previous node dot next. That means the temporary value after 5 dot next be the kth node. That means this is linked to this. This one is linked to the 8. So that's how we solve it. Let us compile and run this and check if this works. Yeah, there are a couple of errors. I just resolved them. You need the function and the variable name should not be the same, and this be the previous node. So that's how you solve it, and let us quickly submit this if it works. Solution, I'll also share the related articles and the other problems that are related to this. Please go through the reversing a linked list again if you found it difficult. All we just did is changing the head and reversing the groups. That's it. So that's how we solve it. It's not that hard. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you loved it. Thank you.